What for lunch, woman? I'm starving.
I made your favorite, but save some for the kids you home soon. Carlos, the children, they'll need to eat.
What did you say? Are you questioning me?
No, please, Carlos, the kids.
You don't need everything. I'm the one who works. I'm the one who decides. That's not good.
Audio preview. What's happening?
Please stay quiet.
What are you looking at? Get out of it!
Carlos, stop. They're just children.
Oh, now you care about the kids. Maybe I'll teach them a lesson.
Don't joke. It will be okay.
RA 9262, the Violence Against Women and Their Children Act, was my lifeline. It gave me the courage to stand up, to protect my children, and to break the cycle of violence.
For years, Maria thought she had to endure the pain, but there was no escape. But she was wrong. No one deserves to live in fear, especially not her children. It was time to fight back. They found safety, and they found their voice. If you are suffering, remember, you are not alone. There is help, and there is hope.